Alright, question number 1. Let's solve, okay? What is the least common denominator? Do we have denominators? Yes. Yes. What's the least common denominator? Or least common multiple? 9x squared. So I'm going to write down question one more time because I don't have enough space here, okay? So I'm going to do this magic trick, alright? To remove the denominator, and I need to use magic wand here, magic wand. 9x squared on both sides. 9x squared is a multiple for both denominators. So you multiply this denominator will be gone. Do you see that? Alright, the other side. 9 will be disappearing. Okay? So, now let's write down question. Now what do I have? 9 times 4, 36. And the other side, x squared. That's right. We are going to solve the quadratic equation right now. Take the square root on both sides. So answer will be automatically x equals plus or minus square root of 36. What is square root of 36? 6. So you have two solutions. Two solutions are 6 and negative 6. I put solutions in the curly braces. Do I have any excluded value here? Look at the denominator. Is there any chance you can have 0 in the denominator? Yeah, if x is 0, that caused a big problem, but I don't have 0 in my possible solutions here, so that is okay. So always make sure what's your excluded value. If it is contained in your solution set, remove it quickly, okay? Question number 2. What is the least common multiple? T minus 2, that's right. So by multiplying t minus 2 here, let me rewrite it so I can write neatly. Alright, this is the question. And least common multiple is t minus 2. I have binomial, so I put the parentheses around the factor, okay? Alright, by multiplying t minus 2, I can cross out the denominator. Boom, 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 gone. Alright, so let's compare it. What do I have now? 2t equals to t plus 4. Now let's do linear equation. Subtract t from both sides. So t is going to be 4. So my solution is 4. Can you check excluded value just in case? Excluded value is going to be 2. So I don't have 2, so that's fine. So that is my solution. Next one, number 3. Do I need to do this again? Because I see the same thing. Can I just say, oh, numerators must be same because denominators are same? How about that? Is it working? Fractions are same. Rational expressions are same. And I notice denominators are same. It means numerators must be same. That's right, equal to each other, right? So let's do this that way. Oh, that's easy then, right? Yeah. Alright, arrange the term to isolate the variable. Subtract b from both sides, that's 2b. Add 4 on both sides, that's 6, right? Do you understand what I did? Show work? Do I need to show work? No? You got it? Let's show work like middle school, okay? Subtract b from both sides. 2b minus 4, which is 2. And I'd add 4 on both sides. So I have 2b, which is 6. So what is b? 3. Is that my solution? Or not? Let's check with the excluded value. Do we have excluded value? Yes, because this is an exponential, this is a rational expression, and I see the excluded value. When denominator gets 0, when b is 3. So 3 is not in the domain at all. Can I say answer is 3 then? No, so answer will be no solution. Okay? Oh, I had 3. Yeah, but that is excluded value, so you cannot use that as solution. In other words, empty set. In other words, empty set. This is notation for empty set. 0 with a longer slash shape, okay? Question number 4. Can I do the same way? Because all denominators are same. Numerators are going to be all same, right? Okay. W squared minus 8 equals to 2W. Do you have any idea how to solve quadratic function? Did we go over everything in Unit 1? Yes. So arrange the terms. A squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. That's what I want to see, okay? So arrange the term in descending order. Standard form of the quadratic function. So I subtract 2w from both sides. What's next step? Factor if you can. If you cannot factor, we may try to use quadratic formula. Alright, let's see. W. What times what? 4 times 2, and 4 must be negative 4, and 2 will be positive 2. So factor. First, outer, inner together negative 2w, less negative 8. After that, zero product property. It says w minus 4, first factor will be 0, or second factor w plus 2 will be 0. From the first one, w is 4. From the second one, w is negative 2. Can I use both of them as solutions? So let's check with excluded value. What are the excluded values or value? W should not be equal to 4, right? X cannot be equal to 4. So don't worry about this guy. That's not going to be the number for the solution, right? So what is my only solution? Negative 2.